Hey beautiful, welcome back to another Sunday reset. Today we're going to be grocery shopping, meal prepping, cleaning, and much more. I really hope this video provides the motivation you need to get a fresh start on the new week. So the first thing I did this Sunday was go to church, and right after church we headed to Trader Joe's. It's been so long since I've been to Trader Joe's. I don't frequent it much because it's about 30 minutes from my home, but I needed something new, something fresh, something sizzling this week. I took a break from my other grocery stores and decided to come here and just picked up a couple of things just to spice up our week. So this Sunday was hair wash day for my daughter. She's 3 years old, and this was the first time I used the shampoo buddy, and I really liked it, you guys. It made it so much easier for me to wash her hair. Normally I wash her hair in the tub while I'm taking her a shower, and I kind of avoid it because it's a whole thing. But this time I used the shampoo buddy and it was effortless. She just sat there, watched whatever show she was watching, and I got it done. I had attempted to try this method before I had the shampoo buddy in the kitchen sink, and it did not work out for me. I don't know if I was just doing it wrong or because she was super young, but I'm so glad I purchased this. I'll go ahead and link it down for you below. I wash her hair about twice a month, I think, and my youngest also twice a month. If I have time, I get it done on a Saturday, but most of the time it's on a Sunday. It is time to change the sheets. You guys know I change my sheets every Sunday, but the coverlet, is it called the coverlet? The top sheet, I forgot what it's called, but that one I do every 2 weeks, but this one is very much heavy set. I got it from Target, the Casaluna brand, and it is very heavy, so I just wash that bi-weekly. I currently have my laundry scheduled out by days. On Sundays is when I do the sheets and the kids' clothes, and the rest of the week I also have that scheduled as well. The past 2 weeks I've been tinkering with the thought of maybe resetting on Friday evenings and Saturdays, but I think I'm just gonna stick to Sundays because Sundays just work for me. I know some moms don't reset on Sundays, but my Saturdays I really try to dedicate that to my family. So we go out, we hang out, we play games, we just do things together. I do do chores, but I don't reset, like fully reset, because it's just gonna get messed up on Sunday anyway in my home. So I normally leave most of the resetting for Sunday because Sunday is kind of like more relaxed, more chill. We don't really have huge things to do. And if I switched it to Saturday, then I just kind of would take away family time. And Friday evenings, I ain't trying to do nothing. So while my kids are very young, I think I'm going to stick to Sundays for resetting. What day of the week do you reset? So this week I finally decided to meal prep. I'm really not a fan of meal prepping. I'm just not. I don't like being in the kitchen for long periods of time, but I really needed to get it done because during the week I just have not been eating the best at all. Like I'll have a plan, but when it comes to lunch, I deviate completely, just eat anything, but then I have a plan for dinner. So I decided to start meal planning my lunch. I used to do it when I was younger, but stopped when I had kids because it just got too time consuming on Sundays, but I really needed to get it done. I picked up some beef broccoli at Trader Joe's to make for dinner tonight with some white rice, but at the same time, I decided to cook up some ground beef and use the vegetables I showed you earlier that I took from the fridge and just kind of mix that up together. I got this recipe from Danny Nicole on YouTube. This recipe was so easy when I saw her do it. I think she got like was it a soy? I don't know what it was, but it was a packet, you know, those pre-packaged packets with the sauce in it, and it already had the vegetable. I think it was a stir fry she had, and she just put some ground beef in it. So I said, you know what, let me take this Carolina Gold from Trader Joe's, put it in my ground beef, and then add some vegetables. Boom, keto, done. So I did that while I was cooking the other meat on the side. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't meal prepped in a very long time, and this was, it felt and was excessive, just doing everything at once, like but I got it done, you guys. Use my favorite vegetables. I'm just showing you the Factor meals that I have set for the week to get through the week, and I use them for dinner. I use Factor off and on, but this week I was like, no, I really need Factor. My husband and I use them for dinner whenever we're on our fitness journey, or we turn it on, because sometimes, girl, it be turned off. And the lunch will be that broccoli vegetable thing I'm doing right here, which was so good. These are bento boxes I had got from Amazon for my I think it was for HelloFresh. Whenever I made my HelloFresh, I would put the food in here, and yeah, so I just decided to put the lunch in there as well. This salmon I picked up from Sam's Club. It was already seasoned. All I had to do, girl, was put it in the pan, put it in the oven. I love that for me. So that's what I did. Put it in the pan, put it in the oven, and I saved it to put on salads whenever hubby and I wanted to use it for alternative lunches. While the food is cooking, I normally use this time to just clean up. Again, multitask is everything. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up the house and the area as much as possible. My kids just had their dinner. It's a little bit later in the evening, so emptying the dishwasher, cleaning up my surroundings is best done while the food is cooking, so when the food is done, I don't have to do it. If you ever wonder how I reset on Sundays with my kids home, I just do it while they're home. I know you've noticed that my sidekick, my youngest, has been here this whole time, and my oldest and my middle child, they just keep themselves occupied. They just kind of stay out of the way and find other activities to do, and that is how I get things done while they're home. The last thing I prepped this evening was some fruit. I picked up some fruit at Trader Joe's against my better judgment because, girl, let's not talk about it, okay? I normally don't pick up fruit from anywhere else but Publix, but I was not about to go to multiple stores today. No, ma'am, no. So I just picked it up and I just got rid of the ones that weren't like either ripe or just had stuff on it, and I proceeded to just wash it. The washing liquid I do use is from Trader Joe's. It's a fruit and vegetable wash that they have. I've used this for years and it works just fine. I'm switching out the fruit here because the bowl I was using was too small. Like I said, I don't normally pick it up from Trader Joe's, but since I was there, they had fruit. I grabbed it. I'm doing the TikTok method. Do you guys do this? Put like paper towels at the bottom. I really need to get some fruit containers or holders from Amazon, but in the meantime, that's what I'm doing. Saw this on TikTok, and it's supposed to keep the fruit from spoiling earlier than it normally would, and it actually did work. And that is all my prep for the week. I'm finally done for the night, and I did not get everything on my to-do list done, but that was not the plan. I no longer try to get everything done. I picked my top 3 and those got done. That was cleaning my sheets, doing my daughter's hair, and meal planning. Everything else, baby, is just gonna have to wait, and it's my time now. I am using the Loops face mask. My face has been a little dry. I saw this weekly reset mask a couple of months ago and I grabbed it, and I'm gonna use it for the first time. It's supposed to clean out your pores, moisturize your skin, and do all the things. It was my first time using this brand and I really liked it. It just felt so refreshing and cool to the skin. It said leave it on for 10 minutes and then take it off and wipe the remaining residue all over your face. So that's what I did. It just felt so good to come to the bathroom, close the door at the end of the day, and do this for myself. Just take some time to pamper my skin, pamper myself, get some peace and quiet. That's what I really needed tonight, and it was very much appreciated. So I wasn't doing any luxurious shower tonight. It was super quick, and some nights it be like that. I use my Love Wellness pH balancing cleanser for my lady parts down there. Never not use that. And I went in with my Native twice. You got to shower twice. So I did that twice and just scrubbed everywhere. Got nice and clean and had a grand old time in that shower. I'm not gonna lie to you. This shower was intended for basic hygiene. Sometimes I try to go all out with the shower, take my time, make it spa-like, but not tonight, baby. Because what I really needed, the self-care I needed mentally, was to just relax. So that's what I did as soon as I was done with the shower. Exactly what I was looking forward to all day. Sit down and watch some TV. I went on Prime Video and I wanted to catch up on my Jack Ryan. They dropped a new season and it's one of my favorite shows. So that's what I turned on and quickly got into the bed. You guys know those days when all you want to do is release your mind and think about somebody else's problem, okay? That's their problem. And it just felt so good to get in the bed. Normally I do this while I'm folding laundry, but not today. I am done with the work for today. I'm relaxing. I'm letting my mind drift and think about Ryan's problem. So thank you so much for watching this Sunday Reset and supporting your girl. If this is your first time here, please hit subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you, girl, for being here. And let's talk in the comments. Bye.